Hello, Doug from Equation Technologies here with a Sage 300 Frequently Asked Questions video. Several users have asked us recently about how to assess a credit card processing fee or other similar fees when receiving payment from a customer. Let's provide a scenario to understand what we are looking to do. Our Sage 300 users would like to assess the fee to the customer. This fee would be on top of or in addition to the amount of the invoices being paid. For example, if the invoice or invoices being paid totaled $100 and the fee was $5, the total charge would be $105 and the amount going to your bank account is $105. Okay, let's dive into our scenario and see how to process it in Sage 300. We are first going to come here to AR Transactions Receipt Entry. I'm going to create a new batch and enter my batch description. I've already got my date and my bank account set up, so I just need to select my customer. In this case, I'm going to select Mr. Ronald Black. We're going to enter our receipt amount. In our scenario, it was $105. And I'm going to refresh my details, and I'm going to select the invoice being paid. I've got my $105 here. Now, in order for this to work correctly, I need to have the adjustment button available down here. To do so, I need to go to AR Setup, Options, and make sure that the Allow Adjustments in Receipt Batches checkbox is selected. This will enable the adjustment button to appear in the receipt entry screen. I can click my adjustment button, and then I can enter a distribution code. Now, I've previously set up my distribution code, and that is set up here in AR Setup Distributions Code CC Fee. This is a perhaps easier way to remember what the GL account is that I want to use every time I process this type of transaction. If you don't have a distribution code already set up, don't worry, you can just go ahead and enter the GL account right into the GL account number field. If I want, I can put a reference or description in here, and then I can enter into the credit column here the $5 that I'm assessing as the fee. Now let's take a look at our detail line. We see our beginning balance of the transaction was $226.54. We're applying $105. But $5 of that is going to be adjusted for our credit card fee, leaving $100 being applied to the original balance. And we can see here in the net balance column that it is in fact $100 less than our starting balance. So we know we have this transaction correct. And when we're ready, we can hit the Add button and go on to the next transaction. When we're all done, we can go ahead and post our batch. And we're all done. Now, if you want, we can come down here to the GL transactions. I'll show my posted and deleted and go to my very last transaction, and we'll open it up. We have a $105 reduction or a credit to our accounts receivable account, and we have a $5 addition also to our accounts receivable account. We have our $5 in credit card charges, and we have $105 going into our bank account. So all of the conditions that we wanted in our scenario. All right, that concludes this particular frequently asked questions video. If you have a question that you would like to ask, go ahead and send it to our support@equationtech.us email address, or leave a comment down here in the video. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for watching. Why, I can't speak. Thank you very much for watching, and we wish you a great day.